To demonstrate neurosensory applications with the pre-cut strips, that is where you want to have a maximum reduction in discomfort and an improvement in muscle activation. So we would take the tissue or the muscle area that you want to apply the tape to, shorten that muscle tissue, then select which pre-cut strip you're going to use, tear it away from the other ones, turn it over, and tear along the black line where the tape is perforated. Then localize where you want to create the application, peel the backing halfway, and lay that over top of the skin. Then remove the final portion of the backing with no stretch in the tape. Gently rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. From there, start taking the backing and peeling it away from the tape. And with neurosensory applications, we stretch the muscle, not the tape. And the tape just gently comes down in contact with the skin with no stretch whatsoever. And we complete that process all the way down until we've applied 90% of the tape. Then we remove the backing and then rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. To demonstrate a neurosensory application with a Y strip, take the application and tear it away from the other ones along the perforated lines. Then turn it over and tear along the black lines where the tape is perforated. From there, shorten the muscle as much as possible. Then take the application, tear the backing of section 1 halfway, and apply the tape to the area that you want to have the base. Once half of it is applied, remove the rest of the backing, and then gently rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. From there, start peeling the backing of the tape. And this is neurosensory, so we're stretching the muscle, not the tape. Relieve your tension on the tape and let it gently come down in contact with the skin. Peel a little bit of the backing at a time as you lay the tape down, waiting till about 90% is applied, then remove the backing completely. Once applied, rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. Proceed to do the same with the other projection. Start taking the backing, gently pulling back, and laying the tape down in contact with the skin. Make sure you're not pulling, causing tension in the tape. You want to relieve your tension and just let the tape gently come down in contact with the skin with no stretch. Once 90% is applied, then remove the backing completely and rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. To do a neurosensory application of the X pre-cut strip, take the application, separate it from the rest, turn it over, and tear along the perforations where the black lines are. Then shorten the muscle that you're going to apply the tape over, because this is a neurosensory application. And we take the backing of section 1 and we can remove it completely. Be careful not to touch the adhesive, always touching the backing of the tape. Then take the application and apply it to the skin and gently rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. From there, peel the backing of one of the projections. Relieve your tension on the tape. Do not pull the tape. You're only stretching the muscle, not the tape. We lay the tape down in contact with the skin, waiting till about 90% to be applied, then remove the backing completely. Rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. Once again, start peeling the backing away, gently lay the tape down in contact with the skin, wait till about 90% is applied, then remove the backing completely.